Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about how you can log in with Creative Fabrica. In order to do so, you're going to want to go to creativefabrica.com, and once you're there you will be met with a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You can see either the option to log in or to sign up. We're going to go ahead and click on log in. But if you need to sign up, you can go ahead and do that. And then here you can see that we have the option to either log in with Facebook, with Google, or with Apple, or you can log in with your email and password. I'm going to go ahead and log in with Google. And with just a click of the button, we are now all logged in at Creative Fabrica. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.